Hey y'all, welcome to my channel Thrifty Tashi. In today's video, I'm so excited to share the perfect Christmas gift that my husband and I gave to each other. All right, y'all, so let's just jump right into this video. I'm so excited about it. Now, this particular Christmas gift, y'all, is nothing that you could go into a department store. It's nothing that you have to wrap up. We needed, I'm gonna just get to the case. We needed a central air unit for our home, y'all, and we got it. So we've been enjoying a new central unit for quite a month now. Yeah, it's been a month. And we figured that instead of buying each other gifts, this is going to be our gift. We're loving the fact that we can come home to a nice, cool house, especially living in South Florida where it's really hot. That's very important, even to get a good night's sleep and to get up for work the next day. We need to have our home nice and comfortable. So over the course of going through the process of trying to find the right company for the AC and checking out the budget, prices, you know, with COVID, it's a long story, y'all, but we started the process in the summertime and it didn't work out. So we ended up getting our unit in November, although we're in December now, but it's like the perfect time. And we're just so grateful that the price was right, the quality of service was right, and overall the timing was perfect. So that's our Christmas gifts to each other, a new AC unit that we're loving. Right now, my home is nice and cool, and it's just the best ever, y'all. Sometimes when you think of Christmas gifts, it's not always the typical gifts that you'll see under the tree, but it's really things that you need. My husband and I, we discussed that from now on, we're going to focus on more practical gifts that'll serve us well, not only for the holiday season, but in the upcoming birthdays and other special occasions. Now, don't get me wrong, we are going to have some little fun stuff here and there, but usually my gifts are always budget friendly or homemade, so I'm not really going to that extreme in any kind of, situation. And we're planning on doing more trips. Those are like our gifts to each other as well. So I want to fill y'all in on this little brief update that we got a new AC unit, and I'll insert how our old AC unit looked. I'm not even sure of the exact year, but I know our home was built in 1970, so this AC unit is pretty old, and it really taught me the importance of being content in every situation, right? So this AC unit, the old one, it gave us a lot of headaches at times. Y'all, it was broke when we came home from work. My husband had to fix it. It was just a back and forth kind of thing, and it was frustrating. And it was uncomfortable, really. It was really uncomfortable trying to sleep through them nights. But overall, I'm going to show y'all how the new AC unit look. Better quality. It'll serve us really well in the upcoming years. We're living here, and I'm just so happy that we can finally check that off our to-do list when it comes to home renovations that we need to tackle. There's going to be lots more here that I'm going to share on my channel. I can't wait to bring y'all along. I always just try to think of ways we can live within our means, stick with our budget, and just transforming our house into a home. We've been homeowners for 6 years now, going on 7, and we love every aspect of our home. At times, I think it's too small, but when I think about it, it's just my husband and I, and it's the perfect size, and I just want to enjoy every ounce of it. So I'm going to be bringing y'all along with us as we do home renovations. We're planning on painting. We have to redo the porch from the hurricane. That's a long story, but like I said, we got the AC unit done, and that's the best Christmas gift. Like, really, y'all, I feel that I'm maturing. I feel more like a homeowner now because we got that major task taken care of. Now everything else seemed easy. And we also got our electric taken care of as well. Those are the big heavy duty things that we needed, so be good to go. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, do y'all have any home renovation plans in the upcoming new year? I know during this time, it's a lot of Christmas decorate with me kind of videos, which I'm still enjoying my Christmas decor. If you missed that video when I shared my home tour, I'll link it above. And any other Christmas gift ideas that I shared here on my channel previously. I'll link those as well. All right, y'all, be blessed, and I'll chat with y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.